I'm making my green smoothie that I make every day, but this is my first time making this specific green smoothie in my Nama C2 blender. So let me tell you what I have in here already, all packed in. I have fresh bananas at the very bottom. I have kale, and then I have this mix of greens, which has like baby chard in there, baby kale, spinach. That's packed in there. I have my, let's see, I put in my plant-based superfood mix. This is one of my favorite ones. So a big scoop of that's in there and some dates. I also have my Camu powder that I love to put into my smoothie. Getting that vitamin C from a natural source makes all the difference. So that's what I put in there today. And then the frozen fruit, of course, on top, frozen banana, pineapple. I think basically that's what it is. It was a tropical fruit blend, but I think the strawberries got used already and the mangoes and the papayas. So now I will add the water. So I'm so excited to see how it handles this smoothie. I did a dessert smoothie. I posted a video on that just now, and that was the first time using this C2 blender. So I'm comparing how well it works compared to Vitamix that I've used forever. And so far, I am loving this. It is super smooth and it's not crazy loud, and that's important to me. And it's breaking everything down too. Close this top. See, I got it on here earlier pretty smoothly. You just have to line it up. I'm still learning. This is my second time using it, so there we go. Just have to push a little bit. Okay. All right, let's see how it performs. Very excited. Okay, so turn it on. Start, and then you can control the speed after that. Look at how nice it sounds. It's beautiful. It's not super loud, even when I turn it up. Going to higher it. It's on low. Okay, you know what? I am really liking this actually. One thing that bothered me a lot about the Vitamix, which I love the machine, don't get me wrong, it's a great machine. I've used them for a super long time, like 30 years. I had one of their first ones that was stainless steel, but they're super loud. And this last one I got, oh my gosh, just too loud. I know they're great mixers though, but one thing I'm really finding using this, barely here for the second time, is that it actually is kind of nice and smooth the way it runs. It's not loud, and it's breaking everything down really quickly. I am loving this actually. Look at that. Usually clumps will fall out. I think my Vitamix just, I don't know, it was needing help. I don't know why. It's fairly new and it was having some issues, so I need to send it in for service. But this is working amazing, and I'm actually loving it better because it's not super loud, and that's real important to me. So it's not hurting my ears, and it's breaking down the dates and the frozen fruit very easily and smooth. Usually in the Vitamix, I'll hear those frozen fruits and dates slapping around, hitting the side of the container, trying to break down when it's in process. I didn't hear any of that right now. And it was smooth. Did you hear how smooth that was? Wow. Okay. Well, this was my first time making my green smoothie.